friends, I'm so excited to show you this new cake holder for wall that you can use it in your home or in your work, your office. Look, this is white, but you can buy it in other colors too. The best part of this cake holder is that have this digital clock here, so you can see what time is and you can put your keys here or your sunglasses or other things that you need. Have this that you can put here, and this other part that have another hooks that you can use to put other things. So let me put it and I will show you how it looks. So as you can see, our cake holder is already armed. Came with this sponge that you can put it here to maintain the form in the wall of your cake holder. You can put the correct time with here. And now we go. So this is the way that look our cake holder. You can use it, this part to put your keys, but you have this other here too, are 4 of them. You can put your sunglasses here, some plant and some decoration here, like a note for your family or your husband. And you can use this part too, for example, your sunglasses. And ready, you have all you need to get out of your home, or when you get in your home, you can put all your things here and you have it always close off your door. So I highly recommend this product. See you.